Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Advance America Review My Usage Experience. Advance America Review My Usage Experience offers short-term financial solutions, primarily payday loans and other cash advance products. Their main target audience is individuals needing quick access to funds for emergency expenses or unexpected costs. Key features likely include online application processes, quick funding options, and various loan amounts. Their website provides details on specific terms and conditions. Their website emphasizes the speed and convenience of their service. They highlight the ease of applying online and getting funds quickly. Pricing is detailed, though individual rates vary depending on several factors including credit score and loan amount. There are no hidden fees according to their website. Availability is nationwide, though specific locations may have varying offerings. They don't appear to use any particularly unique technology, focusing instead on a streamlined online application and approval process. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Advance America Review My Usage Experience. I needed a small loan to cover an unexpected car repair, and Advance America's website was easy to navigate. The application process itself was straightforward. It took me about 15 minutes to fill out all the necessary information. I received an approval notification within an hour, and the funds were transferred to my bank account the following business day. The entire process was surprisingly smooth. The dashboard where I could manage my loan was simple to use. I was really impressed by how clearly they laid out the repayment schedule and the total amount due. I had a quick question about the interest rate and their customer support responded within a day via email. That was helpful. One minor drawback was the relatively high interest rate compared to other financing options, although this was clearly stated upfront. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the service. It served its purpose and the entire process was quick and transparent, despite the costs associated with short-term loans. I would likely use them again in a true emergency, but would explore other options first if I had more time to find a more cost-effective solution. That's my overview of Advance America Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.